Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use two command is discussed here. First command is join and second is helling. Okay, and guys, CATIA lecture 74 is discussed here, and CATIA all 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, and guys, this two command is a wireframe and surface design command. Two command is a surface design command. Any surface design, any surface create a new body, then this command is very useful and helpful. Okay, and one by one is discussed here. First is a join discuss here. Okay, at first open a CATIA software, then use a this. Okay, and and guys, this is our CATIA software interface, and this is a this command is a join. Okay, at first any surface body is create here, and this is a draw a rectangle. Center rectangle is okay. This is a draw a center rectangle. Okay, this, and mention any dimension. Dimension is this, and dimension this. Okay, and this is a 120. Okay, and this is a 100. Okay, this is a correct, and exit. Okay, and extrude. Okay, and then use a extrude this face, and this is a this. Okay, and click OK. Guys, this is a surface body, and this is a rectangular surface body, and some use a fill. Okay, and this body first, second, and third, and fourth. This is a close is preview is showing here. This is a close. Okay, and also use a this body, and this body is a okay, and some body is a fill first, second, third, and fourth. Okay, this is a preview is showing here. This is okay, and two body is a select here, but this is a all is separate body. Okay, and this is a hide. Okay, plane is also hide. Okay, and this plane is also hide. This plane is also hide. Okay, this body is not a join. Okay, and then use a join command. Okay, this is a join command is used, and all body is a join. Okay, this is join command, and this one face, and this face, and okay, this back side face. Okay, and then use a preview is showing here. Okay, this is a join command. Okay, this is okay. Okay, this body is a join, because this join command is a click here. Okay, this face is hide, and this is a hide. So is so. Okay, okay, all point is a okay, and again this body is a fillet is used. Okay, not work. Okay, this body is a correct, join is a correct. Okay, and this body is a, and this body is pink color. This also is a join here. Okay, this is a correct, and this is all body is a join here. Okay, and this is a pink color, and this face is a separate, and color is blue, and this face is a color is a okay. Okay, this body is a green color, and this body pink color. Okay, this body is a okay, this is a color is a this. Okay, this is a perfect. Isometric view is showing here. This is a okay, this body is also color is a green, and this body is also color is a change here. This is a blue color. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, isometric view is drawing here. Okay, this and this. Okay, and this face is a sketch. Okay, draw a circle, and okay, draw a circle. Okay, click here and draw a extrude. Okay, this, and this is a okay, this body is a drag here, and this is also a drag here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and also this body is a color is a property, a color is this. Okay, this is a correct. This face color is a separate. Okay, red color is okay, red color is this body is a green color. Okay, okay, guys. Okay, and also this body and this body is a join. Okay, use this body and this body is also join here. Okay, okay, this is a correct, not work. Okay, not work. Okay, no problem, guys. This is a correct. Okay, and this surface is hide this. Okay, isometric view. Okay, this is a okay, guys. CATIA lecture 74 is discussed here, and this is a clear, and join is complete here, and helling is next lecture is coming soon, and helling command is also discussed here, and today discuss here only join command. Okay, okay, guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Okay, guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.